Hey guys, ladies and gentlemen, today I'm gonna show you my cat, Tasha. Tasha, say hi, Tasha. Say hi. Say hi, Tasha. Guys, Tasha is very old. She is a very old, ancient cat. Aren't you, Tasha? Aren't you? Tasha, can you say hi? Oh no. She is very tired. Oh, just some look at her. She is um uh a calico cat. Yeah, yeah, hey, yeah, yeah. She's just very tired, aren't you? Aren't you? Well, guys, keep us games out, guys. Make sure you like and subscribe to my game channel. Tasha, say bye. Say bye to people.